In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zip files in Microsoft Word. While Word itself doesn't directly create zip files, you can easily compress your Word documents and other files using Windows' built-in tools. This is perfect for sending multiple documents via email, saving storage space, or keeping your files organized. First, locate the Word documents or files you want to compress. You can place them all in a single folder to make the process easier. Next, highlight the files or the folder you want to zip. Right-click on your selection, then hover over Send to and click Compressed Zipped Folder. Windows will automatically create a new zip file in the same location. You can rename the zip file to something relevant, like project documents or portfolio files, by right-clicking the zip file and selecting Rename. If you want to add more files to an existing zip folder, simply drag and drop the new files into the zip file. Windows will compress them automatically and keep everything in one place. To access the files later, double-click the zip file to open it. You can then drag files out or right-click and choose Extract All to save them in a specific folder. This is especially useful if you're collaborating with others or sharing multiple Word documents in one package. And there you have it. In just a few clicks, you can compress your Word documents and other files into a zip folder for easier storage and sharing. If you think this video is helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell.